Hey, let me ask you something. Do you feel confident when you speak English? Or do you feel nervous inside? Maybe your heart beats fast?
Yes, many people feel like that. They know English words, they understand videos, but speaking feels scary.
Maybe you also think, my English is bad. What if people laugh at me? What if I make mistakes?
And because of these thoughts, many people stay silent. They don't speak, even when they want to.
But listen carefully. Confidence is not something special. You can build it slowly, step by step.
Yes, confidence grows with practice, not with perfection.
Today's topic is very important. We are talking about confidence.
Confidence in English, confidence in daily life, confidence when speaking to people.
And today, you will learn simple English to talk about confidence naturally.
We will practice together. You will listen, repeat, and speak. No stress, no pressure.
Just relax and enjoy learning English with us.
Yes, this is your safe place to practice English slowly.
First, what is confidence? Confidence means believing in yourself.
Yes, thinking, I can do this. I will try.
Confident people are not perfect. They also feel nervous sometimes.
But they continue anyway.
That is very important. Confidence is not no fear.
Confidence means you try even when you feel afraid.
Now let's learn simple sentences.
I believe in myself. I can improve. I will try again.
Repeat after me. I believe in myself.
Good, again. I believe in myself.
Now this one. I can improve.
Very good. One more time. I can improve.
Now let's talk about daily life.
Imagine you meet someone new. They ask you, can you speak English? And suddenly, you feel nervous.
Your mind says, no, my English is bad.
But stop for a moment. Change the thought.
Instead of saying, my English is bad,
say, I am still learning.
Very simple, very natural.
And much more confident.
Let's practice conversation. I ask, you answer.
Okay, ready?
Are you confident in English?
Sometimes yes. Sometimes I feel shy.
That's normal. Many people feel that way.
Yes, but I keep practicing.
Very good. Practice builds confidence.
Step by step, little by little.
Adam, tell me honestly, did you ever forget easy English words?
Oh yes, many times. Sometimes my brain just stops.
Same here. That happens to everyone.
Yes, don't panic. Just breathe and continue.
Sometimes we overthink too much.
Exactly. And overthinking kills confidence.
Many learners think too much.
They want perfect grammar, perfect pronunciation, perfect sentences.
But real conversation is not perfect.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
So relax a little.
Speak first, improve later.
Repeat after me. I can speak English.
Again, I can speak English.
I will not give up.
Very good. One more time. I will not give up.
I am learning every day.
Excellent. Keep going.
Now let's tell a story. Listen carefully.
Yes, stories help us remember English.
One day, I wanted to order coffee in English.
But I felt nervous. I thought, what if I say something wrong?
For a moment, I wanted to stay silent.
But then I changed my thinking.
I said it's okay to make mistakes.
So I spoke slowly.
My English was not perfect, but the person understood me.
And after that, I felt proud.
That small moment built more confidence.
Yes, confidence grows through action.
Now your turn. Think about a moment when you felt nervous.
Maybe in school, maybe at work, or maybe while speaking English.
That feeling is normal. Everyone feels nervous sometimes.
Yes, even confident people have nervous moments.
Confidence does not grow in one day.
No, it grows slowly. Small step by small step.
Maybe today you say one sentence.
Tomorrow, maybe 2 sentences.
Then slowly you speak more naturally.
That is real progress.
Many learners fear mistakes,
Yes, they think mistakes are bad.
but mistakes are teachers.
Exactly. Mistakes help us improve.
Think about babies learning to walk,
Yes, babies fall many times.
but they continue trying.
And finally, they walk confidently.
Let's practice again. I ask, you answer.
Okay, ready?
Do you fear mistakes?
Sometimes yes, especially when speaking English.
What do you do then?
I take a deep breath. Then I try again.
Very good. That is confidence.
Yes, confidence means trying again.
Now let's talk about self-talk.
Self-talk means how you speak to yourself.
Many people say negative things,
Like, I am not smart. My English is terrible.
but these words hurt confidence.
So change your words.
Instead, say, I am improving.
I learn every day.
I can become better.
Simple words, big power.
Repeat after me. I am improving every day.
Again, I am improving every day.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
Adam, did you ever say the wrong English word?
Oh yes, many funny mistakes.
Tell us one.
One time, I wanted to say, I am excited.
Okay, and then?
I said, I am exhausted.
Oh no, that changes the meaning completely.
Yes, everyone laughed. But it became a funny memory.
And look, you survived.
Exactly. Mistakes are not the end of the world.
Confidence is not only for English.
Yes, confidence helps in daily life too.
At work, at school, with friends.
Even when ordering food or meeting new people,
Confident people are not perfect.
they simply trust themselves more.
Let's do role play.
Okay, sounds fun.
You meet a new person. Start the conversation confidently.
Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Adam.
Nice to meet you too. Do you speak English often?
A little. I am still learning.
That's great. Your English sounds good.
Thank you. I practice every day.
See? Simple conversation.
And very natural.
Confidence grows with habits.
Small daily habits matter.
Practice speaking for 5 minutes.
Listen to English daily.
Read simple English aloud.
And smile while speaking.
Yes, smiling changes your energy.
It makes you feel calmer too.
Let's tell another story.
Yes, listen carefully again.
A student wanted to speak English.
But she felt shy every day.
She thought, my English is not good.
So she stayed silent in class.
One day, she decided to change.
She started speaking little by little.
At first, her voice was quiet.
But every week, she became more confident.
After some months, she spoke naturally.
And she felt proud of herself.
That is the power of practice.
And the power of confidence.
Now let's slow down a little. Take a deep breath.
Yes, relax your shoulders. You do not need to rush.
Sometimes confidence disappears because we hurry too much.
We try to speak fast, and then we panic.
But slow English is okay.
Very okay. Clear English is more important than fast English.
When you speak slowly, your mind becomes calmer.
And your words become clearer.
Many learners think they must sound perfect,
But real communication is about understanding.
not perfection.
That is very important to remember.
Let's practice slow speaking together.
Repeat slowly after Sara.
I can speak English, Batfira male.
Very good. Again slowly.
I believe in myself.
Excellent. Feel the calm rhythm.
See? You sound more confident already.
Yes, slower speaking sounds calm and natural.
Now let's talk about body language.
Confidence is not only words.
Your face, your eyes, your posture.
All these things matter too.
If you always look down, you feel more nervous.
But if you smile a little and look forward, you feel stronger.
Even a small smile helps.
Yes, smiling changes your energy.
Let's practice another situation.
Okay, this time at a cafe,
You want to order coffee in English.
but you feel nervous.
What can you say?
Hello, can I get a coffee, please?
Very nice, simple and polite,
No difficult grammar.
and no fear.
Exactly.
Real confidence is quiet sometimes.
Yes, confident people do not always speak loudly,
They simply trust themselves.
and they accept mistakes calmly.
That is a beautiful thing.
Very beautiful.
Adam, tell me another funny story.
Okay. One time I was very nervous during an English conversation.
What happened?
I forgot the word umbrella.
Oh no. So what did you say?
I said, the rain stick thing.
Honestly, that is creative.
Yes, and the person understood me.
See? Communication is the goal.
Not perfect vocabulary.
Another problem is comparison.
Yes, many learners compare themselves to fluent speakers.
Then they feel sad.
Or embarrassed.
But remember something important.
You are on your own journey,
Your progress matters.
not someone else's progress.
Even small improvement is success.
Yes, celebrate small wins.
Now let's learn more confidence phrases.
Repeat after us slowly.
I am becoming stronger.
Again, I am becoming stronger.
I learn from mistakes.
Excellent. One more time.
I can improve every day.
Very good.
Now imagine you are talking with a friend. Your friend says,
I feel nervous speaking English.
what can you say to help?
You can say, it's okay.
You are learning.
Do not give up.
Practice every day.
These small supportive words can help a lot.
Look how much English you understand now.
Yes, you are listening, understanding, and speaking.
That is amazing progress.
Be proud of yourself today
Confidence starts inside your mind.
and grows through action.
Repeat after me. I trust myself.
Again, I trust myself.
I will continue learning.
Very good. One more time.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
Excellent. Keep going.
Now let's talk about something important. What happens after confidence grows?
Life becomes easier. Not perfect, but easier.
You speak more freely.
You stop hiding your voice.
And slowly, you start enjoying English more.
Yes, learning becomes fun again.
Many people fear judgment,
They think people will laugh at me.
or they will think my English is bad.
But honestly, most people are not judging you.
And even if someone laughs, that does not stop your progress.
Exactly. Your growth is more important.
Never let fear control your voice.
Your voice matters.
Adam, when did you feel really confident in English for the first time?
Good question. Maybe during a simple conversation with a stranger.
Really? What happened?
I was nervous at first. Very nervous.
I can imagine.
But the conversation continued naturally. The person understood me.
And how did you feel after that?
Honestly, proud. Very proud.
That small moment changed something inside you.
Yes, it showed me that I really could communicate.
Small wins are powerful.
Very powerful.
Maybe today, you speak one sentence confidently.
Tomorrow, maybe two.
Then one day, you speak naturally for many minutes.
That is how confidence grows.
Now let's practice encouraging yourself.
Yes, positive self-talk matters a lot.
Repeat after me slowly. I am getting better.
Again, I am getting better.
I can learn difficult things.
Very good. One more time.
I will continue practicing.
Excellent work.
Now let's do a longer conversation.
Okay, let's imagine two friends talking.
Hey, Adam, you sound more confident these days.
Thank you. I practice speaking every day.
Did you always feel confident?
No, not at all. I was very shy before.
Really? What changed?
I stopped waiting for perfect English.
That is important.
Yes, I just started speaking more.
And now?
Now I feel calmer when speaking.
That's amazing progress.
Thank you. Practice really works.
Confidence begins in the mind.
Yes, your thoughts matter.
If you always think negative thoughts, your confidence becomes weak.
But positive thoughts make you stronger.
Simple thoughts like, I can improve.
Or, I will keep trying.
These small thoughts change your energy.
And slowly, they change your life too.
Adam, final question. Do confident people still feel nervous?
Of course. Everyone feels nervous sometimes.
So confidence is not about feeling perfect all the time?
Exactly. Confidence means continuing anyway.
I really like that.
Me too. It's a very powerful idea.
Now listen carefully. This message is for you.
You are learning English, and that is something special.
Every time you practice, you become stronger.
Every small sentence matters,
Every mistake teaches you something.
and every day of practice builds more confidence.
Do not rush your journey.
Slow progress is still progress,
Believe in yourself.
because you really can do this.
Repeat after me. I believe in myself.
Again, I believe in myself.
I can speak English confidently.
Very good. One more time.
I will never give up.
Excellent. Keep practicing every day.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We are very happy to learn English with you.
Repeat this episode again. Practice slowly with us.
And remember, confidence grows with action.
Download your script and workbook from the description below.
And we will see you in the next episode.
Take care, keep smiling. Bye.
And keep speaking English confidently.
Bye.